What's up, everybody? This is Warrior Uzumaki, and as you can see, we are en route right now to meet up with somebody very special. Trying to be on time as much as possible, but I did oversleep a little bit because I am so freaking tired. But I should make it there on time, right on time. I was trying to get there early so I can set up and work. You won't believe what's about to go down in this particular video. One thing I can tell you is that there's something special that's about to be installed on my car, and it's going to solve a lot of my problems. I actually first heard about this tool, this mod, from Workplay Drive. And there's been other people that have done other types of mods on their car similar to this, but not on any Hellcats, right? So I'm pretty sure since he has a brand new wide body Hellcat, he's going to be moving his over from his old car if it fits it. But if not, he'll probably buy another one because everybody wants to do the mid-muffler delete or the resonator delete. One of the big things with that is sometimes you get drone, and at first, when I first did it, I didn't notice any drone. Man, my glasses are terrible, just terrible. I didn't notice any drone when I originally did my mid-muffler delete. I loved it. I didn't have any problems with it. But once I modded my car and I increased the horsepower, plus deleted my cats, I can't take long trips in my car anymore without being annoyed by the drone. The drone is unbearable to me. It drives me nuts now. It might not, like, it doesn't bother my kids because they have their headphones in when they're in my car. But for me, you know, I couldn't daily drive my car like I really wanted to without being annoyed by it. And this is crazy. My car just went limp on it. See, I'm getting that, I don't know if you guys can see that or not. I'm getting the little symbol there, so I need to pull over really quickly. This might hurt me a little bit in time. I think I just need to restart the car. I'm supposed to take my car to Matt to have it retuned for a refresh tune. My mechanic had just warned me about this limp issue, but let's see what happened. I can't go above 2,500, 25 grand on the dial right now. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it cuts out right at 25 grand. That's really weird. I'm gonna pull right here in Kroger's parking lot, restart the car, and add some air to my tire. Just notice that that's messed up too. This should take me about 3 minutes, so hopefully it won't affect me too much. I'm gonna be speeding for the rest of the morning. So first things first, I'm just gonna get out and put some air in my car, and when I restart the car, we'll see what's up with it. So let me do that really quickly. That is so weird. What the hell's going on?
Don't go to your old ways. I've been working all day, nothing left for me at home. I'm overseas, I'm hard to say, but it's the life we always ask for. Way too many stamps up in my passport. But baby, take a look at me right now. Golden teeth when I smile, diamonds shine up on my face when I step up and rock a crowd. Yeah, this the life we always ask for. Yeah, this the life we always ask for.
Crazy. You go through a parking lot here in Houston and all you see is burnout marks and donut marks everywhere. It's insanity. So I just put about 30 psi is what it said. Let's see if it ramps up. Now I'm seeing this freaking check engine light now. I want to know what that check engine light says. Let's see. That took 5 minutes, longer than what I thought it was going to take. Diagnostics. Let's run a quick diagnostics and see what's up. So it's giving me a code of 20, I don't know if you guys can see that or not. It's saying 2173, P2173. I already know what that code is. That's like concerning my throttle body. But to be honest with you, I was talking with my mechanic and I told him I had received this code a while back. It doesn't happen too often, but it does happen. So So what happens is the car will go limp, and I can't go over 25 grand. Now, it hadn't bothered me because it doesn't happen too often, and only on occasion. It just so happens I started shooting this video, and it happened. It's like, what are the odds? What are the freaking odds? So, we had already scheduled with Matt Saran Tuning, an update tune that's supposed to fix that issue. They didn't know what it was when I first told them. They just thought it was a throttle body since I had added an upgraded throttle body, but apparently it had something to do with the blow-off valve, or blow-off, some kind of valve, that they didn't have the rights, or the software when I originally got my car tuned didn't allow you to adjust the setting for that, but now you can adjust the setting. So hopefully we'll get that fixed. I'm gonna have to drive really aggressively here to get over to Viper Exchange on time. So what's gonna happen here today is you can hear the drone, you can hear the engine. What I'm hoping will happen, the results of this particular experiment, is that I won't hear any drone. When I'm at highway speeds, I can close my diverters and send my exhaust through my OEM system minus the cat. So what I'm hoping is, and I don't know for sure, we're hoping that the cats, where the cats used to be, we can put these diverters, but I have no idea how they're gonna work this out. I'm not shooting this video. I'm actually getting some help on this video. It won't even air on my channel. Can you believe that? I mean, who does that kind of stuff? But guys, I can be honest with you. Think about this. Why is this in my head? Goodness gracious, what is wrong with me? I didn't even notice that was there. I didn't even feel it. I have so much hair on my head. But I gotta get a haircut tonight. Anyway, normally, I wouldn't even like, I'm gonna level with you guys, all right? One of the things that I'm doing for my channel is that I'm networking, right? And I could post this video on my channel and it wouldn't get the respect, not so much respect, it wouldn't get the attention that it deserves. So what I'm doing is, I'm still gonna be doing mods on my channel, but from every now and then, what I will do is I will try to collab with a bigger YouTuber and give them an awesome video, some awesome content. I don't know how I'll benefit from that. I don't even know if I'll be in the video because I don't have any, right now I don't have any guidelines. This is just something that I'm trying to see how it works out. And luckily I found a YouTuber, a pretty cool YouTuber, who's willing to help me out, a fellow colleague. You know, we're all content creators. You guys don't hear this term a lot, but if you're in the YouTube hemisphere and you are like studying other channels, you're looking at the YouTube creators channel and all that stuff, they're pretty adamant about calling us content creators. That's what we are, that's what we do, and we are. But while they're recording their video, I'm gonna stay out of their way. I got work to do, so I have my laptop and everything with me. I'm gonna be working in the office of Viper Exchange, and I may do like some behind the scenes footage, but I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do. My main focus for today is just staying out of their way, because I'm really curious to see how this turns out, because just like my intro and the video for the lottery ticket, I learned a little bit about how other content creators see me when they're recording, and I actually like the style that Creative did. They did an awesome job on that video, and I learned a lot. And if you've noticed, my style has changed. The way my videos look have changed a little bit after observing what they did. So that's all that we're doing right now. We are in the process of just growing, and this is one of those things that I'm doing to grow. I've never seen any other YouTubers really do this, and I'm just testing the bounds of what's out there. You guys know I'm coming back with a movie review Monday. I'm coming back with so many things that I found to work. I've just been taking my notes over the last year, and just, I guess you could call it, I've just been tooling up to get to this point. So all I can do is keep my fingers crossed that, and if you can see me, all I can do is keep my fingers crossed that this is going to pay off in the long run. It's like I'm playing the stock market here, not looking for that super stock that's going to just explode. I'm looking for, what do you call it? I'm looking for those long-term gains that will benefit me long-term. I want my channel to be around. Even my old videos, I can guarantee you, my old videos still get views. And what's happening is I still get comments on those views. I get people telling me, you know, who are finding me today, who go back and watch my old videos, that, man, I didn't know that, or I didn't know this, and I'm glad you brought it up. Well, I was thinking the same thing, but I hadn't seen anybody else say it. Do you hear that drone? I mean, some people might call that acceleration, but I call that drone. Now, maybe I don't understand what drone is, and before I start working, what I will do is I will probably ask my colleague that's going to be joining me today if he could just drive my car and give me his impressions before I spend all this money to have my stock mufflers put back on. And some people might say, why are you putting the OEM mufflers back on the car? Because it doesn't really matter, right? I'm not looking for that raspy sound all the time. When I want that sound, I can just open up my diverters, and hopefully it's not overbearing. But when I open up my diverters and I'm going down the highway, or, you know, when Kevin Van Boris came to town, they reduced some weight by just getting rid of their exhaust, but, you know, it also got stupid loud. His Hellcat got stupid loud when he did it. That's what I'm looking for. I want somebody to be truly intimidated by my car when I'm pulling in the car meets and I open up those diverters. Woo! It's gonna be almost like adding a train horn to my freaking car, which is coming, by the way. That's gonna be insane. Can you imagine that? People are standing by the car and I hit the remote. Or when it airs out, I have an option to turn on the air horn to announce my presence. Woo, man, that's gonna be hot. It's gonna be insanely stupid to do. Stupid, I tell you. But it's gonna be hot, I think. So I'm just excited. I'm just having fun with it. You know, it's a business, it's a competition, and you know, what else can you say? You know, you just do your best to be your best, and that's what I'm doing right now. I'm not really concerned about what happened with my car just now. The biggest thing for me was, you know, actually catching that on camera. So anyway, let's get on over here. I'm pretty sure I can take this Civic. I'm just gonna speed past them. It's insane. Yeah, it's an old guy too, so it's insane. I'm pretty sure I could take this guy right here. We'll see what happens here. I just don't know. Maybe I can, maybe I can't. If his reaction time is a little bit off, but then there's a truck that just decided to get in my freaking way. So I was actually here on time, but because of all these shenanigans that these guys are pulling, man, this is a long life. You never count the seconds until you're late. That's when you start counting the seconds. You start counting the seconds when you're late. It's insane. It's insane, I tell you. I really just want to run this light. I'm not gonna run this light. It's insane. I could have pulled on it, but I didn't. And I don't even know why those cones are there. They don't need to be there. They should have pulled them off the road and put them back when they needed to actually be there working. You hear that lane detection there? Ah, I got off on the wrong exit. Damn it! Like, you know, you get these opportunities and then you mess it up. It's like, it's crazy. It's crazy. What in the hell? So now what I'm gonna do is I just gotta make the U here and then come back around. So that hadn't happened to me in a while. I thought it was 2 exits up, it was 1 exit. I was just trying to avoid 1 red light. Ended up killing my time. So I'm making a U right now. Viper exchange is right there. Go right here. What's up, man?
What's about? What's happening, man?
A little bit of everything.
You ready to make the car super stupid loud?
Yes. Very, very, very overly anxious to make that happen.
It's been a long time